Hello, today I am again with you. I am going to discuss a comprehension. The comprehension's name is PAM'S PET. I think you know what do you mean by comprehension. Comprehension means to understand, means what you will understand after reading a piece of story or piece of any type of writing. Next time you should answer some question. Here same thing we will do. PAM'S PET. See what is written here. PAM'S PET is a cat named Punch. Punch has a coat of soft black fur. Pam gives him milk every day. He laps it up with his long pink tongue. Then he purrs to show that he is happy. He often sits on the rug by the fire. There he washes his face with his soft paws. His claws are very sharp, but he does not scratch Pam. Punch keeps mice away from the house. Now we will answer some questions. See, here it is written, copy the sentences, fill each space with the right word. Let's do. First one, Pam's cat is dash in color. Here in the second line you will find in the second sentence, not line. Punch has a coat of soft black fur. So what it will be? Here Pam's cat is black in color. When Punch is happy, he, what is written? Let's see. When he becomes happy, then he purrs to show that he is happy. So purrs, so write it here. When Punch is happy, he purrs. He uses his dash to drink the milk. Let's see what is written here. Pumps gives him milk every day. He laps it up with his long pink tongue. So he uses tongue. So let's write here. He uses tongue. T-O-N-G-U-E. Tongue. Punch likes sitting by the where? Let's see. Yes, he often sits on the rug by the fire. So what will be the answer? Sitting by the fire. He washes his face with his what? He washes his face. He washes his face with his soft paws. So write the answer. Here what will be? Here will be he washes his face with his paws. His paws are what? See, so easy. He is there. He washes his face with his soft paws. So his paws are soft. Let's write here. His paws are soft. His claws are what? See, it's written also here. His claws are very sharp. So write it in this place. Let's write it in this place. His claws are what? Sharp. Punch keeps dash away from the house. We know it already. That is, Punch keeps mice away from the house. So the answer will be here, mice. So I think you have understood today's comprehension. We will do next page next time, that is about more verbs. Bye for today.